Hi, this is Ron with Topic Hubs. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the Coronavirus Topic Hub. The Coronavirus Topic Hub, in the main index here, which I just clicked on, features 20 plus news topics that are all related to coronavirus so that you can find stories in specific subjects that are of interest to you. If you're interested in social distancing, you click on social distancing and it opens up the news feed. These are algorithmically generated stories. And if you see one you're interested in, you simply click on it and it opens it up inside the site. If we have the entire story, we'll paste it. It'll be viewable here. If not, then we'll give you a link to the story or the balance of the story. You click that, it takes you outside the site to the actual source article. I'm going to go back to social distancing and I'll go back to all topics. We're still in the main index. We have a places index, which is very much like the main index, except it's only for states and cities in the United States presently. So you simply click on a state you're interested in, and up comes whatever topics we have for that state or those cities within that state. Click on topics. In this case, I'm clicking on Anchorage. Here comes the Anchorage stories. Click on places, and we're back to the places index. Click on main again, you're back to the main. The other menu tab here is links. Links is pretty simple. It's basically a collection of coronavirus related links to different categories like news sites, and there's some experts in here. A lot of links to data tables and maps. There's several dozen in here right now. It's a growing list. And you can read, these just simply take you to the destination site. So in this case, you can see CNN's coronavirus, so you can go to Breitbart or Google News, MSN, and so forth. We're adding a lot more as we go through. If you want to add one or suggest that we add one, find something interesting you think belongs in here, you can use this space here, click, and it opens up a form, and you can complete the form and send us the story, the link, excuse me. Then let's go back. We'll be adding one of those forms for submission also to the places as soon as we get that ready. I'll be up soon. In the main index, I want to point out one more thing I forgot to, and that is that these first two stories, I mentioned to you, all of our topics the news stories are algorithmically generated. So we wanted to create some good news topics. This is a complete algorithmic generated collection of stories. And if we go back to all topics, this other good news topic right here is stories that members or we share. So if you find something and you want to suggest it, if you like something uplifting, upbeat, inspirational during these times, we all kind of need it, and just send it to us. Hit the suggest, and it'll pop a form and you fill it out and send us the link and we'll review it. And more than likely, we'll go ahead and add it to the collection. All right. There's no sign up on the site currently, no registration required. We will be adding a sign up feature so that you can receive free email briefings or Slack briefings or Teams, but that's not currently in place. If you have a comment, you want to share some feedback, please, we'd love to hear it. Send it to us. Um, I could go to a couple more terms. I think I'll cover search real quick. Some cases you might want to search for something specific, say, for instance, the name of a town. In this case, you're searching for topics. You can also search for articles. So there are two types of searches. Simply click the search button, and it simply goes through our system and pulls up. In this case, we're searching for topics, but I could say search for articles with the same term, and it should hopefully bring up some stories. Now we found some. Okay. Well, that is it. We're Topic Hubs, and this is our current site. We were going to build something a little bit different, but because of the coronavirus, we switched gears and we have completed this. So just go to topichubs.com, click on the red banner, and you're into the index. I hope you find it useful. It's free. We'll stay that way. We're not doing any advertising, as in we're not selling advertising or sponsorships yet on the site. And we're not doing any kind of cooking or ad tracking of any kind. So you won't have to worry about that. Appreciate your time and hope that you find this useful. And like I said, please share some feedback with us if you have some. Bye.